Hello class 6, let's continue the chapter 4 agriculture. Today we will be covering the topic major crops of the world and where are they grown mostly in the world. Okay, now major crops of the world. Here they are major crops of the world. First one, food crops. Second, cash crops. And third, beverage crops. First one, food crops. Food crops are those which are used for human consumption, while cash crops, those are grown to sell in the market. They are called cash crops. And third one, beverage crops. Tea, coffee, they are called beverage crops. Crops which are used for drinking. Okay. Now food crops. Crops, those are used for human consumption. Those are used for human consumption are called food crops. They are called food crops and their examples are rice, wheat, maize, etc. Maize, corn. Now rice. Rice is the staple food of about 50% of the world's population. Staple food, basic food. 50% of world population consume rice as their basic food. More than 90% of the production of rice comes from India and China. India and China are the leading producers of rice in the world. They are the leading producers of rice in the world. And in India, West Bengal is the largest producer of rice in India. Wheat. Wheat is a crop of the temperate region and grows well in cool climate. Wheat is a crop of the temperate region. Temperate region, here you can see wheat, it needs cool climate. It grows well in cool climate. That's why here you can see with the red color, this is the area where wheat grows well, and this is called what? Temperate region. Temperate region, a place which is located in between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic. Here Arctic Circle. Here Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Okay, this area is called temperate region. Okay, while place near of equator, see here equator. Okay, near of equator, see with green color rice has been shown. Okay, with green color, and rice grow well in temperate zone. Okay, temperate zone. Russia, USA, China, Canada, India, France, Argentina and Australia are the main producers of wheat in the world, and India is the fourth largest producer of wheat in the world. Here in the United States and other European countries, wheat is grown under extensive mechanized agriculture. It means they have large farmland to grow wheat. Okay, and they use machines, where most of the work is done by machines. More than 50% of the total production is exported. Maize is an important cereal crop. It is used as food as well as fodder. Fodder means food for animals. USA is the largest producer of maize. USA is the largest producer of maize, and China, Russia, Brazil and Argentina are the other producers of maize. They are also produce maize here, but major portion of the production in USA is used as fodder. Cash crops. Cash crops are grown to sell in the market. Individual farmers just naturally grow cash crops as a livelihood and to generate cash for the family's need. But a highly industrialized countries, intensive cultivation and mechanized farming are common. In this category, first cash crop is cotton. Cotton is the most important fiber crop of the world. Fiber crop, cotton. Major producers, China, USA, India and Pakistan. They are major producers of cotton in the world. And India is the fourth largest producer of cotton in the world. Fourth position. Fourth largest producer of cotton in the world. Cotton is mainly produced in Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Punjab, etc. in India. Now, jute. Jute is a tropical fiber plant. Tropical fiber plant and grows well in delta region of the Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. Major producers, India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute in the world. Bengal is the leading producer of jute in India. It alone produces 62% of the total jute of the world. 62% is grown in West Bengal only. Jute is used to manufacture carpets, ropes, strings, bags, etc. Jute is the golden fiber of India. Jute is called golden fiber of India. Now, sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate. Largest producer, Brazil is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Brazil. And major producers are India, China, Thailand and Pakistan. They are major producers of sugarcane in the world. Now, rubber. Rubber is an equatorial crop. It means it is grown well in equatorial region. But under special conditions, it is also grown in tropical and subtropical regions. But in special condition, under special conditions. Here, it requires moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeter and temperature above 25 degree Celsius. Rubber is an important industrial raw material. Largest producers, Thailand, Indonesia and Vietnam. They are the largest producers of rubber in the world. In India, it is grown in Kerala. Beverage crops. Beverage crops are those that give a potable drink other than water. They provide us with our daily beverage need like juice, coffee, tea, etc. First beverage crop, coffee. Coffee needs warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil. Well-drained means hilly type of hill slopes are more suitable for growth of coffee. And loamy soil, it grows well in loamy soil. Major producers of coffee: Brazil, Colombia, Indonesia, Mexico. These are the major producers of coffee in the world. Brazil is the largest producer, of coffee in the world. Though India is not a major producer of coffee, but some coffee is produced in South India. Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu are the major producers of coffee in India. Now tea. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. It means tea is grown in plantations, and tea is the example of plantation farming. It requires cool climate and high rainfall. Major producers: Sri Lanka, China, India, Japan, Indonesia and Bangladesh. They are major producers of tea in the world. The main tea growing areas in India are the hilly slopes of Assam and Nilgiris. West Bengal and Assam are the largest tea producing states in India. One I forgot to tell you in last video, shifting cultivation is also called slash and burn agriculture, but in India it is called jhuming. Okay, that's all for the day. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.